Alright, YouTube, back with the Talon X4 live valve. Back with the first modification we're doing to this, first accessory we're putting on. New windshield. I guess not a new, it is a new windshield, but an actual windshield for this machine. It's all glass. This is actually a local company in Utah who makes these. We'll get it on, kind of go over the features, but really cool windshield with some air vents on it. Actually, we have that. I got another thing right here. Tusk, Rocky Mountain ATV. They're also a local Utah company. Tusk UTV mirror. We're gonna put a center rear view mirror in this machine. Probably need to put that on before the windshield, so we'll just see. We'll get going. Alright, let's start with this side mirror. Let's see how this thing is. Looks like we got a nut, a mirror. Oh, that's a pretty good sized mirror. Oh, hey, there I am. Looks like that's the, came with a couple brackets. We're just gonna have to, let's get a knife, shall we, folks? Let's just get a knife. Start cutting things open. Kind of hard cutting with one hand if anyone's ever tried it, but we can get it done. Tell you what though, one thing I've noticed, like this rear view mirror, by the way, on Rocky Mountain ATV's website, it's 20 bucks. Can be used as a center mirror, or you can get two more, use them for side mirrors. I just went with the center mirror. Now, got another bracket here. I have to take a peek-see and guessing it's hooking on something like that. You know what I mean? That is probably, I don't know what that would be for. Side mirror maybe? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Might have to get, there's some instructions here, but I don't like reading those, so we'll just kind of figure it out. Alright, folks. Pretty simple. On your mirror, got a bolt sticking out. You take this Y bracket, threads on there, right? Then your roll cage mounts going there. Throw this bolt with a lock washer in, just like so. Tighten her down, then it'll, and you can put your placement on your bar on your roll cage where you'd like it. So whether you're putting it on your side mirror, or you know, case. Oop, almost died here. You know, mine's gonna go right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there, and I'll give you an update on it once I get it on. Alright guys, got the rear view mirror in. Let's take a pic here. Yep, it's a mirror, alright. It's pretty big. Get lots of visibility. You can see your back seat. You got kids. See all around you. For 20 bucks. I can beat it. The mount's pretty beefy. Curious to see how it'll work with my windshield. As you can see, these are maxed out, but this is, the gap's the same on each side, and I'm gonna look it up and see. I think this roll bar is a little bigger than standard. I did have to undo a couple roof bolts. I undid that one. One right there in the middle, one right there, and same on the other side. Just enough to get me some little extra room to work on this, and I figured I'd probably need to do that anyways, install the windshield. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. I'm hoping that that mount doesn't mess me up too bad with the windshield, so we'll see. But man, 20 bucks. I don't think you can really beat that. Not really sure. I mean, like, this mirror is fully adjustable, so if you wanted it lower, I kind of liked it up high because it was out of my way, but again, kind of however you want. Alright, guys. So this thing seems like the best way is just to set it on there. At first, slide it up under your roof. And in on the windshield, it's got two holes. You won't be able to see it, but there's two holes in this windshield. And then on the machine, there's two holes up here already built in, so it's very simple. You just match those holes right up to the factory holes. And you just have a bolt, a lock nut, or a lock washer and a nut, one on each side. And get that bolt started on each side. So on the machine there's 3 holes. You want to use the center hole, it's a little larger. It'll center up your windshield. I put it in the wrong, one of the smaller wrong ones. It wasn't quite lining up, but no big deal. Just pop it out and put it in the right one. Probably be easier if you had another set of hands, but it's definitely doable one person. That felt better. That's the right ticket. Yeah, I don't think that rear view mirror is going to affect anything on that windshield. Sweet. I was kind of worried about it for a minute. It's going to work out just fine. I'm just hand tightening them, finger tightening them for right now. We'll get the next bracket on. These are the next bracket for the bottom. Just wraps around that tube. You have a bolt that goes through and another nut. It's pretty simple. You have a nice plastic washer there. Hopefully I don't lose you guys. Camera's about to die. So that's it, guys. Simple. Really nice glass windshield. I wanted to go glass, I didn't want to go acrylic. And another cool thing about this one right here, you have this little nut there. You have drivers and passengers vents. So when you're hot, open them up. When it's a cold day, close them up. Alright guys, this has been the windshield from USA. Well, I'll leave the description. I can't remember the link to this windshield. I'm not sure exactly what the brand is or what their website is, but I'll try to leave the description if I can find it. And then the rear view mirror install. And how can you not like that windshield? USA, baby. Again, if you like this content, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out greatly. And please leave a comment. We'll see you guys later.